Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out these eyeliners from the brand Tresluce Beauty, and it's the Intenso Liner Duo gel color pencils that I got in my December 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And so this is a brand that I'm not familiar with, so I love trying out new makeup brands, but I just learned that this is actually Becky G, the artist, actress, activist, and glam queen, and this is her makeup line. So this duo retails for $24. It's cruelty-free, vegan. It says that it has 13-hour wear, smudge-resistant, transfer-proof. Oh, I like the bright blue packaging. It'll make it stand out amongst my many other black eyeliner pencils. I just mention it all the time on my channel when I get a black eyeliner pencil in Ipsy or BoxyCharm, how I just don't know why I keep getting these when I've repeatedly put on my survey and my review that I don't want any more eyeliner. And I also already got a really great eyeliner in BoxyCharm, I think it was this month, the Persona eyeliner, which is so great. So, I mean, this eyeliner has a lot to live up to. So, let's check it out. Yep, it's the type of eyeliner that you would need to sharpen. So here I have the shade Fuerte, which looks like a black color. Let's swatch it. Yeah, it's a black color, but it's not a very dark black. Seems pretty creamy, glides right on. And then it also came with the shade Accomplished, which looks brown. Ooh, maybe it's a little bit more gold. Oh, that's pretty. It's more of a copper shade with a metallic finish. And that's the type of shade that I like to put on my lower lash line. So I'm pleasantly surprised that this is not as dark brown as I was expecting. Here I can show you a better view of those swatches. Isn't that a pretty metallic copper shade? Well, I'm excited because I think I can do a full eye look with these. I'm going to use the black eyeliner on my top lash line and then the copper shade along the lower lash line. So let's go ahead and start with the black on the upper lash line. And I'm just going to go right ahead and glide it on. Very gentle on the eye because it's very soft. Not poking at my eye at all. It has decent pigment. I do feel like I need to go over it like once or twice to build it up to that opaque color. But overall, easy to use. I'm just like a little thrown off by how it's not completely black. I think on camera and from a distance, you can definitely tell that it's a black eyeliner, but next to like my eyelashes, for example, it doesn't look as fully black. But I don't know. I never thought that I would dislike a shade of a black eyeliner, but I'm just not loving this shade of black eyeliner. It just looks slightly off. I like the formula though, very easy to use. I think it's a little hard to get a very skinny line because it is just a pencil, but I typically like a slightly thicker line along my upper lash line anyways. Still a little uneven, but that is a user error because I'm not the best with eyeliner, especially along my upper lash line. But it's a decent eyeliner, not as good as that Persona black eyeliner. But now I'm excited about this one called Accomplished. Let's see how this looks along the lower lash line. It says you can put these in the waterline, so I'm going to try that out too for fun. kind of sticks on the waterline, but I don't feel like it shows up that much, but that's okay. I'm not too big into wearing eyeliner on the waterline anyways. I more like to take a brown shimmery shade, something like this, and kind of smoke it, blend it out a little bit along the lower lash line. And I really like this. Very pretty. You can see that kind of shimmery metallic finish, and it's a really pretty shade that's not too dark and overwhelming on the eye. So I feel like it actually goes really nicely with the black. So let's go ahead and try it on the other eye. Yep, it's so comfortable to apply to this sensitive lower lash line area as well. Doesn't poke the eye, glides on gently and easily. So I really like this shade. The formulas are fine, just like a classic eyeliner. So I feel like you do not have to spend a lot of money on eyeliners. What's going to kind of separate an eyeliner from all the other eyeliner pencils is the shades. So it's funny how I got two shades in here, one that I really like, one that I'm not crazy about, but I can definitely see myself continuing to use this Accomplished Copper shade. It's like a daily eyeliner. I'm really liking that. I would even put this copper shade along the top lash line as well to do more of a glammed up type of look. And you can definitely use the black on the lower lash line as well. But this is just kind of my personal preference in the type of eye makeup looks that I seem to do the most often. So overall, I'm happy with this duo. Not blown away like I was, like I keep mentioning, with the Persona eyeliner. I could not believe how blown away I was by that. It's just incredible. And this, it's good. Fine, usable. Not something that I'm like, you need these in your collection, because they're very ordinary, but they're still good. But I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on these. And since this is a new to me makeup line, I'd love to hear if you have any recommendations for other products to try out. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.